Howdy y'all, Tom, Zort, the Rubber Traction here. We are here at Animal Kingdom. It's early. I have a pumpkin game changer, pumpkin cold brew with pumpkin syrup and pumpkin everything. So yeah, so I have my Magic Pan Plus with me today. I'm gonna see if I can get this to work at all. And then, oh look, Lee, there's so many people from park hopping here today. We're gonna have fun. I of course ate before I got here, and everyone else needs to have food. So be prepared, people. Krista seems to be completely fine though. It's just the elder statesman. Curious Krista, what are you looking forward to most at Animal Kingdom?
What am I looking forward to most at Animal Kingdom? I really want to see all the merch because that's what I look forward to. Kind of like this little Mickey ears that I got.
You're Disney's perfect customer. You're here for the merch.
Pretty much, yes.
There's the safari. This is the only train you can ride in Disney right now. Sadly.
Wildlife Express.
Advertisements. These are new. I don't remember these being here before.
From the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like
Look at everyone.
sheep and more, to sneak peeks at animal care in action at our veterinary, nutrition, and science centers.
So this is the back of the safari, and the dirt wall. Isn't that exciting?
Station, where you can learn to draw your favorite
So
Disney
exciting.
characters.
These things really, they're just kind of waking up. They just kind of like look at those pigs over there. They're just napping. It's nap time for them. They haven't had breakfast yet. Understandable. I think that's enough petting animals. Yeah. We got some mandrill surgery going on back over there. This is a vet hospital in here. Kind of interesting. Animation class is going on right now, and they're drawing Shere Khan right now. Look at how awesome that is. I haven't done this yet, and I really want to at one point. Walked over too early from my lightning lane for my mental clock's a little off today. I'm sorry. But we're still gonna do the safari. It should be fun. Are they gonna do some like gymnastics thing or something that I don't know about? I haven't done anything with my Magic Plan Plus today. I will at some point try to see if this actually works. I have not gotten to work once yet, and I've tried 17 times. I told you I'd make it for the safari. See? We're in the last row too. Everyone's all in front of us. It's a bit snug here. Kind of snug. Let's enjoy some of the safari. Look, we have tourists. This is a part of the safari, I swear. It's gonna be bumpy.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck all the time. If anybody has any cameras, feel free to use them. Just make sure you have tight cameras and other loose items. Are you gonna go back in the water? Looks like he's contemplating it. There's a few on the left as well too that you can see in the water. Hippos, they look really slow and lumbering when they're out of the water like this. However, they can move very fast when they need to. They can run about 20 miles per hour.
That's not what I want to have on video.
Little nose boot, maybe not. And then you can see some more on the left in the water, which is usually where you see them during the day. Hippos like to sleep during the day. Female African elephants are very social. They'll travel in big groups with other females and their calves. And yeah, I'm sure now that looks like an adult female for a little bit further back there too. The one closer to us, she's actually a teenager. She's about 12, maybe 13 years old by now, so preteen. But if you saw her right next to mom, she's almost as big as mom. It'll take a good 13 to 15 years to reach maturity, so she's mostly grown. Might grow a little bit more. Serious adults. Females, though, they're very close-knit. They'll stay together their entire life. Pretty long lives, too. They can live about 60 years. All kinds of things on their backs and sides. Helps protect that sensitive skin from sunburns and parasites. Greater flamingo have the brightest
back
pink
there.
color of all
How I
flamingos
bathe.
species. They really do. So they rely on their speed to escape predators. They can run about 40 miles per hour when they want to. Now, there is evidence of white rhinos in the area as well. White is a mispronunciation of an Afrikaans word, vite, which means wide, and it refers to their very wide mouth. You can't really see right now, but they do have a big, broad mouth. Now, if you look over on the left, keep an eye out for cheetahs. Cheetahs reach those high speeds of over. Outpost up ahead is a great place to see some Nigerian.
You don't always get every animal. You tried it a different way, so no lions here. Chris just saw polar bears, didn't you?
I saw a polar bear.
If we have any blue dirt in the paws out here, what we're doing
It's not working.
to see if the rest of those birds that headed back to the aviary.
It's not working. They don't like me. It's not. Oh, he's snorting. It worked. I finally got my magic band to work.
See him, girls?
Oh, there's a views.
See, I told you, they were just scared of the Canadian bear. Last time I was here, these were broken. I'm glad they fixed them. They're back to being normal. The hurricane flipped them. Yeah. The two of them were flipped over after the Hurricane Ian. So I'm glad they fixed them. I like the little cricket underneath. Here in Pandora, we got the lightning lanes for both Navi Bird Journey and for Flight of Passage. We're doing it up the full way today because it's crowded, it's hot, and we have guests, and we don't want to make the guests be not good on the lines. Like, you don't want to make people wait, right? So it's worth it. I think it came out to like $40 altogether, or 30 bucks. Not one of the more expensive days, thankfully. And look at the mountains behind me, if you can, past the sun. So, Genie Plus today. Got on Safari, and I'm about to do Navi River Journey and Flight of Passage, so $40 for 3 rides. Now we could do more, but it's actually not that crowded today, and the lines haven't been bad. So, except for the Safari being an hour, we probably could have got away with just doing Flight of Passage, but hey, Navi River is also an hour and 90 minutes right now, so it might be worth it. Time, money, all up to you. 65-minute wait right now for a 4-minute boat ride. What? Yeah, Genie Plus Lightning Lane, worth it. 4-minute boat ride.
Yay!
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 Yeah, that lightning bothers me. Sorry. thing I missed from the, time was like individual seating for parties. Got squished in like sardines for that. But it's fun. Hopefully things come through well. And it looks like the clouds are coming in. I feel what arguably might be the best treat or snack concept on Disney property. The cheeseburger Valpox. Krista, let's see, take the first bite of one.
Okay, do I just grab it?
Go ahead, just lift it up and go.
No fork, no nothing?
Nope. Just eat it like a sandwich.
Cheers. Mmm. It's like a cheeseburger inside a little pork bun. Really good.
I'm glad she knew what a pork bun was. A lot of people don't really know.
I do.
Time for arguably the best attraction in Animal Kingdom. Next, I really like Everest, but this is the best all-around family attraction, I would say. Flight of Passage. Who doesn't love waterfalls? I could see this being very scary under the right music.
Okay, travelers, your leaking progress will take place momentarily. Please remain seated and enjoy your flight. Here I am.
So that's it for my odd hodgepodge day here at Animal Kingdom. Tom, Zort, the rogue attraction, saying don't be afraid of the pool, have fun on vacations. I won't bite, but he might, and let everyone bye.